Hi guys, this is Alejandra, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can forward your emails from your student account to your personal account. It is important that you guys know that even though we're receiving the emails in our personal accounts, it's better and it's a must that you answer the emails that you're getting by your student account. But the purpose to forward your emails to your personal account is that you're able to see them more frequently and easier. So now here we're going to settings and we're going to go to view all Outlook settings. Okay, now that here in settings we go to mail and now we go to the forwarding option. And here you're going to select both of them, enable forwarding and keep a copy of forward messages. So you're able to see them in your personal account and in your student account. For example, if you don't press this one, you're just going to get it on your personal account, but not on your student account. So it's better if you have them here. Now what you're going to do is type your email. Here is mine. And you only have to do what you only have to do is press save, and that would be it.